Oh, time to go fishing. 7:44, my bad. It's never a dull moment with him. What's up, guys? We are at a special location today. My stepdad actually works at a quarry / gravel pit, and I have a bunch of ponds out this way that we're gonna go fish, and we brought the kayaks with. And this is probably gonna be more of what we're gonna be doing from now on is kayak fishing, but sometimes we're gonna go on the boat as well. Probably planning on going to Sturgeon Bay come August, but let's get all this stuff in. We're gonna get on the water. Hopefully he's gonna catch another personal best. There's some pretty big fish in here from before. A lot of squeaks, but there are some really nice ones. Let's go hit this. Let's go catch some fish. I wasn't recording the whole fucking time, but caught 2 squeaks and broke off on a log or something. But we're gonna keep fishing. Hopefully get on something here. Looks like I'm just going straight right this time. Alright, we're going to switch it up to a swim bait. Got him. Fish on the swim bait. The little guy came off the BPS swimming fluke here. Oop. There's one. Got this one on a wacky worm. And he already spit my worm. Brand new. I gotta get better at doing that. See a squeaky dude? He's not even trying. Really? Where'd my worm go? Another little guy. It got picked up. There you go, buddy. Not a lot of big fish in here, but this place has always been fun. Great place to take people, learn how to start catching bass on plastics. There's one. Nah, a little largy. A feisty one. Couldn't tell if I had him or not. He was running right at me. Got one? It's actually cleared up a lot down here. There's another one. Oh my. It's a big greenie. It's a really big greenie. Really pretty fish. Oh, another one. That's 3 back-to-back casts. It's actually a little nicer one. Oh, okay then. I caught a fish.
I beat myself.
It's actually not a bad idea. Little guy. Okay, you dick. A lot of minnows in here too. A lot of little guys though.
Big Bertha's somewhere around here.
I'm surprised nobody's hooked up with her yet. I lifted him out of the water. Bass. He's gone. I'm just picking this stuff apart here. Didn't even really have to set the hook into him.
We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship.
This guy's really dark. The shores aren't bad. It's deeper than a paddle. Oh yeah. Oh, there's one. Got him. What's up, buddy? I don't know. It's like every cast. Pretty guy. I think I caught them all. Probably. Or not. Oh my, he's fighting me like a smallmouth. Are you serious? It popped up. I'm getting ready to cast it. It fell off. It's a big old greenie.
Nice.
Oh.
He came out of nowhere.
I know he did. He's like, I know the drill. Unhook me.
And Sunday, the same thing, you know. Go out, get up, fish.
Oh. I didn't even notice my line took off. Look at the stripes on him. Looks like a tilapia.
The elusive freshwater tilapia.